Hello, in front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can activate speed limiter, cruise control, favorite function, we can manage cruise control and speed limiter, and we can change distance from the following car. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio volume, we can change radio station, answer and end calls. Also we can navigate through instrument cluster, and in the end we can use voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.